Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. This is going to be a short one today. I only have one working battery on the camera, so a bit of a change from the last day. I've taken the door off the back here. The problem I had the last day was trying to classify the 1/4 inch. What I have today is I've had this in my garden for a long time. It's like a 1/3 inch below, and on top is 1/8 inch punch plate. So what I'm doing is, as with before, it's just a pipe in the river that comes on down and just feeds water. So I brought along my own sucker tube with me today. The other one I had the last day was just a short little backpack one. You can see where this beautiful bedrock there is exposed, and I'm going to go down and follow it down. I'd love to go across, but then I'll compromise where the sluice is sitting. That's what it's all about. Just test it out and see if it works. Right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that should have been obvious. And no, I won't be editing that out. Let's see if we can put that there to stop it from wobbling. Okay. It's still a bit uneven. Alright. That's a little bit better. Let's try that now. Trial and error. All 1/8 inch, so it flies through. Oh wow, I'm loving this. Look at that. Try that again. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the stuff of dreams. Look at this. I'm working on Bedrock, and I'm sluicing right next to where I'm working, and I don't have to bend down. Oh, this is brilliant. Sometimes wacky inventions are exactly that. They're wacky inventions. They don't work. There's a reason people didn't do things that particular way. Bit more water on that. Oh, this is amazing. I don't know how much of the gravel I'm losing or keeping, I don't know. But to be honest, I don't care. It's getting dirt. Rocks just fall off the ramp. I actually didn't even intend on filming today. I just came down here today to rock jam. I just said I just need to get out for a while and find a configuration that works for me. And I have. Yay, rock jam. That's inside, that should be easy to sort. And I'm gonna get that sorted. I'm gonna try and count these, as this is a lot easier. I'm really good with upper body. Right. Let's crack on with this. I'll see you later when I've run more material. I'm liking this. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so things are going pretty well. I keep thinking that I must really cut that off and go back to 1/4 inch, but 8 seems to be working fine. So here we go. See where a good bit of gravel is getting washed off? What I'll do is hit it with water on its own. Push it that way. This isn't going to be a long video. I really just came up here to test this out. To be honest, I didn't even bring pans. I have one small little pan that's always in the bag because I wanted to travel as light as possible. I'm just punching it a few times so I can get down to a nice level. Oh, I hate that yellow stones that look like nuggets. Unless, of course, the nuggets, then I like them. No, no quartz. I won't use the word that we use for that particular stone. You can hazard a guess. See, there's no harm in me just dropping water into it because it doesn't hit the mat. It hits this bare piece of wood. This is all scrap wood that I got in a dumpster. 30, and I have to add another 10. We're at 40. Right, I'm going to do a quick clean out of this, see where we're at, and if we're on gold, happy days, grand, mission complete. I want to just see if this is working, which it is. And now I want to see if it's catching gold since I took the back plate off. The last day I was here, I had another piece of wood and it was coming up and over and dropping, whereas now it's off to the side. That seems to be working absolutely fine. I'll find out in a minute. We do the clean out. Right, gonna clean out this box and I'll come back to you about 5 minutes. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so just about to do the clean out here. So make sure this bucket is nice and clean. Even if it had gold in it, I don't want that gold because I want to know where the gold from this has come from. Even this rock I'm putting in here, I want to wash that off, just so we know where everything's at. Right, take the screen deck out of the way first. Have a quick look. No nuggets in there. All the rocks are nice and clean. No small gravel. Happy days, I'm liking that. I should have really painted the wood to stop it from rotting, but whatever. It was free. It cost me nothing. I put together with a couple of screws, which cost, you know, probably €1 or two. In American terms, that's probably about, I don't know, $2. Just get the pan in there. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Anytime you get a chance to sit down while panning or sluicing, take it. It's a really nice experience. Right, let's see how we're getting on. Right, rock is nice and clean, happy days. Gonna have to park it over here. Okay, so pick up water somewhere else. Bring it around. I got these as a sample from America. I think I got about 10 of them. So if you want one of these little pans, and they're really great for this type of thing, just for the final pan down. So I'm stratifying it constantly to get all the gold, black sand, iron, lead shot, and like that to sink to the very bottom. And now what we'll do is we can just simply wash the front riffle. See, the material there is a lot darker. That's how you know. If you're ever unsure if you're doing it right, pick it up, stratify again, bring everything to the front, tip out all the water. I'm just going to wash off the front riffle. There's only 2 riffles in this, and they're raised riffles rather than inset riffles. On the Garrett Super Sluice, or any of the ones you use on my tours, they're always ones where you're going into a groove. This is, you're going up against a bump. So instead of going down into a groove, you're hitting a wall, basically. Okay, just stratifying it thoroughly to push everything into that corner. I have no idea what's going to be here. I didn't do any sample panning. I just sucker tubed along this gully right next to Bedrock. Some of it has been cleaned off before. Let's have a look and see how we're getting on. Any gold? Oh, there's gold. I think I see gold there. I do. That's nice. Very nice indeed. Not a whole lot of gold, but I only ran about, what was it, 40 draws of sucker tube. Okay, so not a whole lot of gold, but look, we only ran 40 draws. Actually, you know what? I'm going to say a whole lot of gold. I usually say, and that's not a lot of gold. That is a lot of gold. That's 3 pieces of gold from 40 draws of a sucker tube, which, let's face it, I'm here less than probably half an hour. Set up the pipe, set up the sluice box, dial it in, switch on the camera. I'd say an hour most. I like this setup. I really like this setup. So I'm going to wrap it up there for today. I really just wanted to get out and test the system and see would it work. And I only brought it on the camera saying, well, if it works, I'll put it on, I'll turn on the camera. But just as well I did. That's brilliant. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed today's video of whatever I happen to call at the editing stage. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos that previously posted and the ones to be posted in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and sure, catch the next one. We can all go find more shiny. More shiny. Oh yeah, I'm loving this.